Welcome to the GIS Community Explorer. This app is designed to help you explore our service area, obtain data for presentations and grants, and to help you make informed decisions. The app provides access to a number of external data sources and allows you to explore that data spatially in relation to district GIS data. In all, these data sources provide important demographic, socioeconomic, environmental, and health data. Let me get you oriented to the app. When you open the app, you'll be on the app homepage as shown here. Across the middle of the page is a menu where you'll find links to different dashboards and pages. If there is a down arrow, there are multiple dashboards to choose from for that category. There is a general overview dashboard that allows you to view data from multiple sources all in one dashboard. There are two dashboards showing U.S. Census data, one by census tract and the other by wastewater or stormwater service area. We then have dashboards that pull in external data related to social, environmental, and health factors. And finally, the Other Resources tab provides links to other external data sources that you may find helpful, including census data for various geographic areas. Below the menu are some resources to help you navigate the app. There is the Getting Started video that you are watching now, then a page to help you select the best data source for your needs, and finally a link identifying various abbreviations used throughout the app. Let's go back and look at one of the dashboards. All the dashboards throughout the app are generally set up in a similar manner. Along the left-hand side, you will find a panel that provides instructions or information about the primary data source used in a dashboard. You can close the panel using the arrow along the right-hand side as shown here. The dashboards generally have a map in the center with a map legend to the left to help you identify the layers used in the map. Some dashboards will have a blue box to the right of the map. This is the results pane, and it provides the overall score or result associated with a data source and an interpretation of that result. And to the right of the blue box, you'll find the detailed results panel. Note, in some dashboards, additional results can be found by clicking on the arrows at the bottom of the panel as shown in the yellow box. When appropriate, some dashboards include a data table. This is helpful if you want to quickly see and compare data across different geographic areas. Let's go back to the map. There are two default layers turned on in all maps. The wastewater boundary represented by the area not shaded in gray, and the combined sanitary and storm sewer boundary represented by the pink line. You can also turn additional layers on and off by clicking on the layers icon within the map as shown here in the yellow box. This will open a list of layers included in the map. A variety of layers are provided, including various district boundaries, parcel boundaries, municipal and political boundaries, layers showing engineering and construction capital improvement projects, and stormwater projects, as well as the collections and regional stormwater systems. You can turn layers on and off by clicking on the eye to the right of the layer name. If a layer has an arrow preceding the layer name, there are sub-layers that can be turned on and off as well. You can also change the base map by clicking on the base map icon as shown in the yellow box. You'll be given a variety of different options, including aerial imagery from various years. You can click on the bookmark icon in the map and select Initial View to return to the original map extent. In some cases, you may want to explore the distribution of data across the service area. If you left-click and hold, you can move the map around to explore the data. You can zoom in and out of the map using the scroll wheel on your mouse or the plus and minus signs in the lower right-hand corner of the map. In some cases, you may want to see data for a specific area. You can zoom into an area and click on the area to select it, or alternatively, you can search on an address or parcel number by using the magnifying glass in the upper right corner, and this will open a search bar as shown in the yellow box. Enter the address or parcel number and hit return, and the map will zoom to the area of interest. Once there, you can click on the related polygon to obtain data for that area. When you click on a geographic area, such as a census tract, the data associated with that area will update in the blue results pane, detailed results panel, and table. To clear a selected area, you can click on the Clear Selected tool, which is an X in the upper left corner as shown in the yellow box. In some cases, you may want to select multiple areas and view the data in the table. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and selecting the areas you are interested in within the map. Alternatively, you can use the Map tool wrench in the upper left-hand corner and choose the selection tool you want, a rectangle, lasso, or circle. The lasso will allow you to capture an area by freehand. To draw your area, click and hold the left mouse button where you want to begin drawing. When you are done drawing, release the mouse button. You will notice that the data widgets have all updated. The table will show all areas selected, while the blue results pane and detailed results panel will just show data for the first area as noted by the census tract number. When you click on a row in the table, the map will zoom to that area, and the data in the blue results pane and detailed results panel will update. Note that you should not average results across geographic areas. For those showing percentages, you cannot average the areas as they have different base populations, so an average would not be correct for the overall area. For data sources using percentiles, an average is meaningless and the result could misrepresent neighborhood-level variation. You will notice across the top of all dashboards is a menu. You can click on the house to return to the home page or select a different dashboard from the menu. In addition, there is the Other Resources tab on the right-hand side. The Other Resources tab provides links to a number of different external resources. In the first section, you will find data sources that primarily use U.S. Census data summarized for different geographic boundaries. Below that, you will find additional socioeconomic data sources. Below that are environmental data sources. And finally, some links to great local data resources, including the Cleveland Open Data Portal, Cuyahoga County Greenprint app, and the NOACA GIS portal. Finally, be sure to check out the Which Data Source is Best for Me page. This can help you narrow down the data sources that are relevant to your needs and also provides an introduction to data indices. For any questions about the GIS Community Explorer, please contact GIS@neorsd.org.